Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix 144 Hz monitor only showing 60 Hz. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the desktop and select display settings. Scroll down and select advanced display and in your select display to view or change its settings. In my case I have only one monitor. If in your case maybe two monitors if you have, then you just need to select the correct monitor that has 144 Hz. After selecting that, you just need to select the drop down next to choose your refresh rate and select the highest refresh rate you have. Select keep changes option, and now just need to close stuff here and open up your monitor settings and make sure you have refresh rate is 240 guys. In my case the problem has been fixed. You just need to follow these steps and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.